Have you ever wondered how modern jet aircraft, those colossal birds of steel, are conceived from a mere idea into a tangible, sky-dominating reality? Today, we delve into the fascinating world of jet aircraft production, unraveling the intricate processes that bring these marvels of engineering to life. The journey begins with an idea, a concept, a vision. This is where aeronautical engineers step in, armed with their knowledge of physics, mathematics, and a dash of imagination. They sketch the initial design, considering key factors such as the aircraft's purpose, its potential payload, range, and speed. The design process is a delicate dance between creativity and feasibility, with countless iterations and modifications along the way. Once the design is finalized, it's time to create a prototype. This is a scaled-down version of the aircraft, used to test the design's viability. Wind tunnel tests are conducted to understand how the aircraft would behave under various wind conditions. It's a rigorous process, and any design flaws detected at this stage send the engineers back to the drawing board. When the prototype passes muster, the next phase is manufacturing. The aircraft's body, or fuselage, wings, tail, and engines, each part is meticulously created, often in different parts of the world, and then assembled together. Precision is vital here. Even the smallest error can have catastrophic consequences. The aircraft components are then painstakingly put together. This is a process that requires not only technical skill, but also a deep understanding of the aircraft's design. Every rivet, every bolt, every wire must be in its exact place. Once assembled, the aircraft is not yet ready to take to the skies. It must undergo a series of stringent tests, including taxi tests, engine run-ups, and finally, the maiden flight. This is the moment of truth, where the aircraft either soars high or falls short of expectations. And there it is, a jet aircraft, ready and raring to conquer the skies. But the journey doesn't end here. Routine maintenance and checks are crucial to ensure the aircraft remains in top shape. So, to summarize, the production of a jet aircraft is a complex, multi-stage process. It starts with the design, followed by the creation of a prototype, then manufacturing and assembly, rigorous testing, and finally, regular maintenance. Each step requires a high degree of precision and expertise, and it's a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance that we have these sky giants ferrying us across continents today. This journey has offered a glimpse into the incredible world of jet aircraft production. It's a world where science meets art, where creativity is bounded by the laws of physics, and where the sky is never the limit. It's a world that continues to inspire and amaze as it pushes the boundaries of what's possible. So, the next time you see a jet aircraft soaring high above, spare a thought for the intricate dance of engineering and design that brought it to life.